Hi guys, it's Denise. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming my very first, and I'm so excited, it's my very first plant unboxing of any sort. I am very behind the times on this sort of thing. I'm just noticing I think a bird pooped on my window. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, didn't realize that was there. Oh well. Continuing on, there's freezing rain going on outside right now, and my mailbox of plants did not fit in my tiny little mailbox slot that they provide in the apartment, so it got shipped back to the post office, which is that cream colored building over there. I can actually see it. There's a car parked in front of it. But alas, I have to wait till 1, so I'm very impatiently sitting here staring at the store that has my plants. I'm so excited, and yeah, I will catch back up with you when I can go pick them up. Okay, I am so excited. Oh God, I really don't want to go too deep. Okay. I don't know why I'm whispering. That's kind of weird. It's like the plants need me to whisper. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. What the heck is this? Oh, that's cute. There's a little tea bag in here. Very, very cute. This seller actually was really, really nice. She refunded me money on the shipping, and like, they don't have to do that. I don't think you have to do that. This was an Etsy purchase. So yeah, I thought that was really cute. Okay, there's a little note. I'm gonna read that after. Oh my God. Joe Louis, seriously? Is this a joke? That's awesome. Okay, that's so cute. These are not plants, and that is so cute. I have a feeling I'm going to be really happy just because somebody goes and does little touches like that that you absolutely don't have to do. I don't know, just screams good person. Okay, so this is the first one, and I do know what it is. Just gonna move this. Okay, without actually looking at this, I'm just going to tell you guys, I've been trying to buy this plant for over a year, and every time I see it, it just does not look healthy. So I thought, why not try to order it off somebody who's growing these plants at home and like definitely looks like they know what they're doing, and let's take a chance and see what happens. So yeah. Oh baby. Oh. So if you don't know what this is a Crassula plant, a variegated jade, and I am so happy with this plant. I can tell you right now, this just looks so much healthier than the ones I've seen at the nursery. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, the leaves are so plump. It looks really healthy. I'm so happy, guys. I can't believe I have not been able to buy this plant for so long, and then I order it and it comes and it's so perfect. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this aside. Okay, so I have no idea which one this is. I'm just gonna move the box. Okay. Oh, so pretty. So this is Echeveria Afterglow. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, so many roots. That is so pretty. How close can I get? Oh. Okay, I absolutely love this. This is fun, guys. I only ordered 4 plants because I have a lot of plants and I want to make sure I take care of all my plants properly. And yeah, so I'm super excited about the ones I did get. Yeah, that's so pretty. Okay, this one I can already see. And oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay, 10 out of 10 would recommend this seller. Oh my goodness. I will give all the information at the end of this video. I didn't want to put it at the beginning, obviously. You never know what's going to happen. But oh my gosh, this is beautiful. So this is a Pachyveria. I will put the, Pachyphytum, I think. Let me just check. Whatever. Okay, yeah, definitely a Pachyveria. I can't pronounce the end part, so I'll definitely put it on the bottom. How pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm not saying anything because I'm honestly speechless. It's beautiful. Well worth what I paid for it. Oh my goodness. Yay. Wow. Okay. Okay, so last but not least, this is something I'm super excited for. I know what it is because process of elimination. Dun, 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 dun. Wow. Okay, this is, if you don't know, this is Echeveria Silk Veil. Oh, look at all those roots. Oh. Wow, those are healthy roots, guys. Oh, I don't think that was in frame. Wow. Oh my goodness. This person is taking care of their plants. That's so nice to see. I absolutely love that. Oh, wow. That is so pretty. Okay, so it's like a light pink. I guess you guys can see, but in person, it's just absolutely beautiful. Oh, it's so nice. A little freckling there going on. So that's again Echeveria Silk Veil. So pretty. Okay, so actually that was not the end. I have no idea what this is. This is something else that the seller sent. Aww, is that a little Lola? Aww. I think it's a Lola. I'm not sure. If you guys know what this is, put that down below. I have lots of Lola. I think it's a Lola, an Echeveria Lola. But yeah, Echeverias are actually the hardest of all the succulents for me to figure out what they are because they look so different in the pictures and I don't know. Oh my goodness. Yay. How pretty. That's so nice. Thank you very much. If you're watching this, thank you very much. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna get them all together and take a picture. So I just want to show you this beautiful card. It's really funny. The Afterglow cannibalized some of its leaves for roots. So I include an Echeveria Subsessilis, blah, 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 blah. That is so nice. Okay. I think I would definitely, well, will definitely, once I have more room for plants, which is actually not right now, but I will definitely in the future order off her again. That's awesome. What a great person to order off of for my first time. So happy.